Hi everyone, and welcome back to your 7-day Spring into Core Challenge final day together. I hope your abs are feeling pretty good, especially if you've been doing the videos more than once, and maybe you're learning some new things as we go along. Feel free to use these whenever you need to, as they'll be on YouTube for you forever. And let's go ahead and start day 7 in high plank, 5 minutes on the clock. In 3, 2, 1. In the top of your push-up position, we're just going to start to rotate those knees from opposite elbow. And we're just going to move left to right slowly, really feeling that twisting movement as we rotate in those hips from side to side. Good. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from high plank, we're going to let our feet fall to the right. We're going to raise our left arm. We're going to dip our hips down, press them up. Exhale, back to plank. Good. Feet fall left. Raise right arm up. Dip, lift, back to plank. Good. Exhale, feet go right. Raise left arm up. Dip, lift. Exhale, plank. Feet go left. Raise right arm up. Dip, lift, back to plank. Good. Exhale, drop your knees in plank. Pick up your knees. Good. 8. Don't bob. 7. Keep everything tight. 6. Good. 5. 4. Stay strong. 3, 2, 1. Now make that transition for me onto your backs. Good job. Exhale. You're going to cross your right ankle over your left leg, pick up your foot, and we're going to reverse crunch and crunch at the same time. Good. 4, 3. We're going to reverse crunch and twist in 2, 1. Ready? 8. Reverse crunch twist. 7, 6. This should burn. Good. 5, 4. Cross your elbow. 3, 2. One more rep. 1. Good. Now switch the ankle. We're just reverse crunch. Pick up the butt and crunch in. Good. Give me 4, 3, 2. Now reverse crunch with a twist. Go. 8, 7. Much harder. 6. Find that rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right. Rock it up to seated. Quick flip, forearm plank, all right? So forearms are going to come down to the ground. Exhale, drop your feet to the right. Do not move your forearms. Lift and lower your hips. 8, 7, 6, obliques. 5, 4, 3, 2, stay strong. 1, come to center, drop your feet left. Let's go. 8, 7, it burns. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come to center. Good. Drop your knees. Now, side plank on the right forearm, okay? So you can stay where you are. I'm just going to rotate. You can drop your right knee and you can work from here. Or stack your feet. Top hand can be down or up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's hard. 1. Good. Switch sides. All right. Feel free. Just rotate or roll with me. Bottom knee down. Work from here or stack. Ready? Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, stabilize. 3. Slow down. 2, 1. Lay on your back. Good job. All right. Go ahead and bring your feet together. Knees apart. Pull your feet up. Reverse crunch. Good. 8, 7, 6. Get those reverse crunches in. Come on. 5. Feet together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay your feet down together, reach opposite knee, and crunch, crunch, crunch. Good. Final 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, legs out, arms out, hover and hold. 5, this is it. 4, hover. 3, 2, 1. You guys made it. Congrats on 7 successful days, a stronger core, fitter full body. If you ever have any questions about the videos, feel free to reach out. Congrats to you, and thank you so much for working out with me, guys. I'll see you later.